If you want to know how to flip in Lucidchart, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to flip shapes in Lucidchart step by step, so you can mirror objects horizontally or vertically in just a few clicks. This is super useful when you want to adjust a diagram, create a mirrored layout, or fix the direction of a shape without rebuilding it from scratch. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open your Lucidchart document from the Lucidchart homepage and click the shape you want to flip. Once you select it, you'll see a blue outline around the object, which tells you it's active and ready to edit. This part is important because Lucidchart only lets you change the flip settings after the shape is selected. Now look up at the formatting toolbar at the top of the editor. In that toolbar, find the Shape Options menu. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a small icon or a drop-down menu with more formatting controls. Click it to open the available shape actions. This is where Lucidchart keeps the tools for adjusting the way your shape appears. Inside the Shape Options menu, you should see the flip controls. From here, you can choose flip horizontal if you want the shape mirrored left to right, or flip vertical if you want it mirrored top to bottom. As soon as you click one of these options, the shape updates instantly on the canvas. There's no extra save button needed for this part, so you can immediately see the result and decide if it looks the way you want. If you're flipping for diagram design, take a second to check the direction of any text or visual elements inside the shape. A horizontal flip can make arrows, icons, or layout elements point the opposite way, which is great for matching the flow of your diagram. A vertical flip can also help if you need to reverse the top and bottom orientation of a symbol or object. Now, there is one important limitation to keep in mind. Flipping in Lucidchart works for closed shapes like rectangles, circles, and triangles, but you cannot flip individual lines or certain combined objects the same way. So if you're trying to flip a connector or a group of linked elements, that may not work the way you expect. If that happens, the best approach is to separate the objects or adjust them manually. If the flip option doesn't seem to appear, make sure you have the correct object selected and that you're working with a supported shape. Sometimes the menu can look a little different depending on the object type, but the flip controls should be available for standard shapes. Once you find them, it only takes a second to change the orientation. So to recap, select your shape, open Shape Options, and choose either flip horizontal or flip vertical. That's really all there is to it. It's a simple feature, but it can save you a lot of time when you're building clean, professional-looking diagrams in Lucidchart. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.